Okay, so we're doing some EMF testing here on a microwave. Now we're going to bring in, we've got Endoflex oil. Got the bars. Now take it away again. Whoa! That's insane. Bring it up again. That's awesome. All right, so Endoflex oil and microwave. Looks good.